Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today we've come to the 46th annual cake show, which is taking place in Bengaluru opposite to UB City, Vittal Malia Road. So this is the part 2 of the 46th annual cake show. I've uploaded the part 1, so make sure that you please check the part 1 so that you will get to know what all will be there over here. So once you exit from the cake show, so in the same place you will find all these stalls. So you get everything over here and all the food stuff over here are of a reasonable price. So the cake show is taking place at St. Joseph Indian High School ground. So it is from 18th December 2020 to 3rd January 2021. Make sure that you come within these days. So you get everything over here to eat and they have lots of food items. So make sure that you visit this place. So once you exit from the food center, you will find a beautiful exhibition running over here. So all the people from different states of India come here and sell their items and everything is in a reasonable price. So the entrance fees for the show is rupees 90 per person. And if you have four-wheeler, they charge 50 rupees for the parking. So here they have these beautiful god idols. So this is just the entrance and it will take lots of time to reach to the exit because this place is too huge and the place is totally covered with the exhibition running over here. And when you keep walking further, you get many stalls. So over here you have this sofa cum bed and this is just for rupees 10,000 and this is very affordable. You get it in different colors and different shapes. You can use it like a sofa or a bed or two-seater. You can do it anything you want. And the price is also very reasonable and you can negotiate over here. So now comes our favorite place, which is the clothes. So here they have these beautiful dress materials. So everything starts from rupees 1000. You pick anything, it is just for rupees 1000. So the dress materials are very affordable and they have different collection and huge collections over here. And so this kurti is just for rupees 800 and the price is negotiable. You get different colors in these kurtis. So make sure you visit the place, and they're not from Karnataka or any place, they are from North. So North people have beautiful designs. So all the kurtis are very beautiful. You get single chunnis, so they are quite expensive over here. He was charging 1200 for that, but it is negotiable. So this dupatta was for rupees 1200. And you can see they have displayed few palazzo pants and kurtis and they also have chikankari works. So nowadays all the chikankari works have become very famous. So this is how the stall looks. Just like this you will find many stalls over here. Make sure that you don't stick in the same place. Keep walking further, you get many different clothes over here. So over here you have footwear. So you pick anything, it is just for rupees 500 over here. You also get some steel utensils. So these footwears are very affordable. So you can pick anything, it is just for 500. They have shoes, they have kolapuris, you get slippers, many things. So here comes the beautiful part of the stall. So here you get all home decor items. So in this place you get teepie cloth. dining table cloth and everything, and all are made of handwork. So these are very beautiful. So the small square one is for rupees 100. So the single piece is for rupees 100. So using this work cloth, you can stick it to your walls so that it looks very beautiful. So just look at this, how beautiful it looks. But this was quite expensive. It was for rupees 300. So one piece was rupees 300. I recommend you all to visit this place because he has an amazing stuff, but the price was not negotiable. So just look at this beautiful piece. It's just for rupees 100. So all these you can place it on your dining tables, or you can stick it to your walls. You can use it in different ways as you want. So if you have a bigger dining table, you can place this cloth which he is showing. So he has beautiful colors over here, some maroon, white, grey, golden, brown, many colors you get over here. So over here you also get the divan sets. So these are the bed sheets and pillow covers. So this is a set and it is just for rupees 1000. They have unique designs over here. So most of them think that in exhibition you get the same old designs and they don't have any latest collections. But no, they have an amazing stuff over here and all the designs are very unique. So over here they have these beautiful cushion covers. So it is a set of 5 and it is for rupees 500. So if you take a single piece, it is for rupees 100. So this is very affordable. And it is not like the designs which you get it in Commercial Street or MG Road. These designs are very different. And you get different colors and size in these cushions. So here ends the video. I hope you all love this vlog. We'll meet you soon in the part 3 of this continuation. Until then, take care and stay safe. Don't miss the part 3. That is going to be great fun. So until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.